see now? The drama now started.
Yeah.
You see now? You see?
He was from there.
I thought you get enough of it.
Hata nikuambiwa naonyeshwa keta ifunguliwi hivi. Ona sasa. Ona hiyo force yote. You see, look at that.
Got a call from our chairman of the estate. He told me to come to the gate. There was an incident. So when I came to the gate, he explained to me, we had quite a number of people at the gate. So he told me that there were some visitors who had come in, and apparently they had assaulted one of our guards. It is that these people, when they came in, we usually have a visitor's book whereby any visitor is supposed to record. So he was not cooperating with the guard. He actually opened the gate by himself, which is against our estate bylaws, went in by force. So when he was coming back, the guard was just requesting him to sign off the book. So that's when he came out of the vehicle and started pushing the lady.
And you see now? The drama now started.
Yeah.
You see now? You see?
He was from there.
I thought you get enough of it.